I really want us to like talk about it. Was it just learning from them, or did you have to also do some like personal learning? Did you watch YouTube channels? Did you maybe read books? How was that development process to really develop the skills that I needed? How was that like?
Yeah, I mean, I have to say, I'm not the kind of person that reads books to learn about, like, I don't read books to learn about code, to be honest. It's not that deep yet, at least. Maybe when it gets that deep, I'll be a different person.
Okay.
But right now, it's like, so the learning process was a little bit like, intense and rough. I did not have like any specific like way I learned it. I think the very first person I got my lesson from was Biola. So my friend Biola pretty much like showed me a code. Like
Yeah, shout
this
out
is
to
how.
Biola.
Yeah, huge shout out to Biola. So this is one code for the button component. This is another one for the testimonial component. I mean, does it make sense to you? Just look at it. Like, is this something that looks like something you would like to try? And I'm like, yeah, I guess. Let me give it a shot. So I learned about like, I think from way back I knew a little bit of HTML all the way from
Okay.
uni. So it was I'd forgotten most of that, to be honest. But I was like, at least it's not some things are not foreign to me. So I just like got into that and like tried a few components. I designed a badge, designed the tag component. Like, oh, actually, it looks pretty nice, and I can write CSS to style this. So it actually felt a bit like relatable for me. And then again, of course, this was during the period when I was trying to build this my software company. So it was like we used to have like I think we used to have like we used to work over the night for I think three times in a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So we just go like from 8 p.m. all the way to like 3 a.m. and just like walk all the way and try to build something. So it was a pretty intense period because we did that consistently for about 8 months. So that was like not something you want to try at home. So it's like, do not try
Don't
this at
try
home.
this at home.
Yeah, that was a pretty rough period, but I think that like, as always, like just sitting there and just learning by observation and sitting with them, watching them fix issues and actually contributing as well. When you get to this point when you're you're just learning and you're sitting with people that already know stuff,
Mhm.
and then you're like, "Can I help you build this?" And I say, "No, don't worry, I'm good, I'm good." That's just like they know that you're still learning and you're going to slow them down. So that made me feel a little bit somehow. Sometimes when they be like, "Don't worry, don't worry about it. We can
I
do it.
got
Yeah, I
this.
got
Don't
this."
worry.
So what I used to do is like anytime I got back home, I just like log on to like so I had this React training subscription and I think frontend masters.
Okay.
And then there's one specific person on YouTube, I can't remember the name now, but I know it was an Indian person that actually did help me understand React and the concept of props and state. And those things are like very
Hmm.
foreign concepts that I really had to get at the
Yeah.
beginning. So I think it just explained like, I watched a lot of videos, but just that explanation kind of clicked with me. And that just made me really get a bit better. So I'll go back home and I practice. And the next overnight, I'm like, "Can I help you? Don't worry, I'll finish it in like 20 minutes." And I'll be okay. Let's just give him a shot and let's see if you can try it. And like, I tried it out, and from there on, I actually got pretty good by just repeated practice of the same thing for I think over 6 to 8 months. And I think that gave me the basic. It didn't make me become an expert. I have to say, it just gave me the basic foundation I needed to actually then build on top of.
Mm.